Oh my goodness, you guys, I missed you guys. Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new wig unboxing, and oh my goodness, it's been a minute, but I am so excited. I'm really excited, guys. Like, it's been what, like 5 months or something. Like, it's been a minute, you guys. But I bought this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored. We got an Aliexpress wig right here, bam, bam, bam. And we're going to go ahead and get into this unboxing. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Guys, I'm really excited. It's been way too long. It's been too long. So on the Aliexpress page, they are saying that this is a 300% density wig. I haven't seen one before, but I was happy when I got this package because it got some weight to it. It's kind of heavy, so it's looking good. But here we have a 32-inch wig. So I know I'm a 40-inch girly. I've been a 40-inch girly for a minute, but like actually I really have been liking this length. This is cute. This is grown. This is fire. But I decided to get a 30-inch wig because sometimes the quality, one thing that just stopped me from ordering from Aliexpress as much was the quality. I was ordering a lot of 40-inch wigs. A lot of times they wouldn't be true to length. They would come like about 34, 36 inches or something. The thickness wouldn't be there. So I'm hoping that maybe the quality is a little better if you stay in the shorter, like 30-inch range, because what, they're about the same length. I'm paying for a 40-inch, but I'm getting a 30-inch. So I'm hoping that this 30-inch really gives, and it's a nice length. It's been a minute. I am really hoping to have like a nice long wig that has layers and like a blowout type of style is what I want to do. So I gotta watch some videos on how to do it. But hold on, let me stop yapping. Let's get into this wig unboxing. Let me stop yapping. So also, this wig costs like $115. The 40-inch wig, because this company does have wigs up to 40 inches, and the 40 inch is like $198, $200. The 30-inch even is $100. So once you go up to 32, it's about like, it adds like $10. So it's not crazy. The price is good. So I'm hoping this wig is decent. Like, one can only hope. But let's get into it. Okay. Oh, didn't put much in this packaging at all. Like, oh, this is the first time I ever got a wig. And there's 0 gifts in here. No gifts. Nothing. It's just a wig. Let's look at it. Let's bring it out the pack. Oh my goodness. Aliexpress. Let's see. Let's see if it's worth it. I'm not getting 300%. I'll say that right now looking at the wig, because if you say 300%, I'm thinking of something like bam. But like, here it is. Like, you know, it's like 180. The ends are, I mean, they're not bad. They're cool. They're cool. Here is the parting space. So it is a 13x6 wig. It does have like the U shape, but with a 13x6, it's not that bad to get a U shape. This is not 300% density. Like, look at this. Let me make sure y'all can see. This is not 300% density at all. This is more so like 180% density. This was a $100 wig, so that's not bad. Like, this is what I expect from a $100 wig, honestly. I mean, you could, it's work withable. Like, I guess we can pull out our measuring tape and see what it's actually giving. But honey, I think I'm gonna be a TikTok shop wig girly. I think I might move over to TikTok shop, because what? Let's see. Dang it, I gotta figure out where I put my measuring tape. I moved, so everything is just everywhere right now. But let's figure out where I put that measuring tape. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. I don't know where my measuring tape is. Where the heck did I put it? But as you can see, I feel like, what? This is not, is this 30 inches? Let's put it on the back of me. Like, what is this? Well, maybe, but it's always a little shorter. So it's probably gonna be like right there, right above my butt, just about, almost touching it. Like, I'm gonna still keep this wig. We're gonna play with it, customize it, because I just need to work on my plucking skills. I want to really see what it's giving. Like, I haven't customized a wig in a minute, so I do want to do that. I'm glad to just have a wig to customize and work with. But for $100, it's not bad at all. Like, if you just want a wig, like even adding highlights or something to this wig would be super cool. But it's a nice wig for the price. This is a very affordable wig, which is fantastic. So, the ends are okay. Like, They're not just as thick, but they advertise this wig as 300% density. So that's why I'm like, I don't know. So yeah, that is the wig. I'm going to make sure to link it in the description box. I just threw it on the bed any kind of way. I'm gonna make sure to link this wig in the description box. Yeah, it has a little baby hair on the front. The lace is pretty thin. We're definitely still gonna install this wig, see what it gives. If I can make it just eat, we'll see. Cause for $100, that's not bad. If this wig looks the way I want it to look in my head, oh, it might be worth it. It might be worth it, you guys. So hold on, I'm not off of it yet. It might be worth it, but this is just a real review. So now you know what you're gonna get. This is what you're gonna get. So it really is $100. That's not bad at all. And it's an 11/11 sale, possibly still going on. And then Cyber Monday is coming up, Black Friday. So this wig, it might be 100, it might be even less. Who knows? So I think the hair is still really soft, so it's not poor quality hair at all. But yeah, that is it, you guys. I haven't had a 30-inch wig in a while, so that's one reason I'm like, this feels short. I usually, when I buy an Aliexpress wig, it's gonna be 40. So that's why I'm like, what is this? But this is good. I like it. I'm gonna play with it a little bit. I think we're gonna actually customize it together, you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And have a great day, you guys. Bye.